Hi, welcome to my channel. So really this video is a must and should all the PhD candidates has to watch this video. So I'm strongly recommending you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are doing the PhD or else who wants to do the PhD. Okay, so it will be very much helpful to them. Why? Because this information has to be known to all the PhD candidates. Why I'm telling it is very much important because the candidates who are doing the PhD, they are facing a lot of issues. Okay, at the time of doing the research work, okay, they will stuck at one point, and what might be the applications of this point. Fine. So if you once exposed to the outside world, okay, how the work or else how the field is there regarding your research area, then it will be the very good better opportunity to you to focus more on your research work, okay, and a more realistic aspect way of your research work. Fine. So in that way this video will be very much helpful to you guys. So it is a Niti Aayog, NITI Aayog internship scheme it is. Fine. So we will see the complete details regarding this one. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete information. And please, I request all of you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who wants to do or else who are already doing the PhD. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Niti Aayog internship scheme official website from the government of India guys. So I think all of you know that Niti Aayog is a think tank to our India. Fine. And it is providing the online application forms to fill up for the internships to the candidates who are pursuing the undergraduate or graduate or postgraduate. Okay, you may check down. Niti Aayog government of India had initiated an internship scheme in 2015. Based on the experience in the past years, a review was made. Now in supersession of all previous guidelines in this regard, the Niti Aayog announces the revised internship scheme. The scheme seeks to engage students pursuing undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate degrees or the research scholars enrolled in recognized university or institution within India or abroad as interns. These interns shall be given exposure to the various verticals, divisions or units within Niti Aayog, okay, that is National Institute of Transformation India, and would be expected to supplement the process of analysis within Niti Aayog through empirical collection, okay, and a collection of in-house and other information. That means I will show you a few research areas guys. If you belongs to those research areas, then you may apply for this Niti Aayog internship scheme. Then if you once selected, what will happen is that you will be provided with the 6 months of internship, okay, and in that 6 months you don't get any amount, but after successfully completion of those 6 months you will get one certificate which will be very much helpful to you guys. And within the 6 months of duration, whatever the research area you were selected for your PhD or else for your research work, okay, in that research area, how the present work is going on, okay, within the Niti Aayog or else in the government of India, okay, that means in India, how the work is going on and what are the different aspects regarding that one. So the complete training or the internship will be there to you up to the 6 months. And if you got the complete information regarding your research area in a practical aspect of you in this 6 months duration, then your research work will be smoothly gone away, okay, and you can do your research work in a most realistic and the practical way, okay. That is the most advantage of this internship scheme guys. So that's what I'm telling, that please utilize this opportunity. It will be the wonderful internship scheme and especially useful for the research scholars guys, okay. Comparing with the undergraduates, graduates and postgraduates, it will be most useful for the research scholars, okay. So whoever the interns selected for this one, they will be given exposure. That means you can able to go to the outside field to various verticals, divisions, units within Niti Aayog, and would be expected to supplement the process of analysis within the Niti Aayog through empirical collection and a collation of in-house and other information. So for the interns, the exposure of the functioning of the Indian government may be add on in furthering their further future interest, okay. And the internship will be based on the unpaid basis. That means you don't get any amount in this internship period. After successfully completion of your internship, you will get the certificate. Name of the scheme is Niti Internship Scheme, and the purpose to allow short-term exposure of the selected candidates with the different verticals, divisions, units of Niti Aayog Government of India as interns. A list of domains or areas are provided that I will show you, that is there in the annexure A. And objective, the scheme has followed the stated objectives to allow young academic talent to be associated with the Niti Aayog for work for mutual benefit, and the intern shall have an opportunity to know about the government functioning and developmental policy issues in Government of India and contribute to the policy formulation by generating the policy inputs such as empirical analysis, briefing reports, policy papers, etc. And coming to the internship, so it is available throughout the year based upon the requirements of the Niti Aayog. And eligibility, bona fide students of any recognized university or institution within India or abroad fulfilling the following conditions are eligible. First one is undergraduate students having completed or appeared in term end exam of second year or fourth semester of the bachelor degree course and secured not less than 85% of or equivalent in the 12th class. And the graduate students having completed or appeared in the term end exams of first year or second semester of their postgraduate program or pursuing research or PhD and secured not less than 70% or equivalent marks in the graduation. And the students who have appeared in the final exam or just completed the graduation or PG and waiting for admission for higher studies may also be considered for internship, provided that they have secured 70% or more and the period between month of declaration of result of final exam and the desired month of internship should not exceed the 6 months. Okay, so these are the eligibilities, guys. Fine. And yeah, eligibility is done. Coming to the period of internship shall be at least 6 weeks. Okay, but not exceeding the 6 months. Okay, so 6 weeks to 6 months, and interns not completing the requisite period will not be issued any certificate. Experience certificate, a certificate regarding successful completion of internship issued by the advisor of the concerned subject division in the enclosed formatted annexure B. I will show you all the annexures, guys. And interns will be required to have their own laptops. Niti Aayog shall provide them workspace, internet facility, and the other necessities. So, procedure and conditions for applicants. Interested candidates may apply online in the address link to be indicated in the website Niti Aayog from 1st to 10th of every month. So, in this May month also, from May 1st to May 10th. Okay. So, here the link is there. Apply for internship. So, if you click on that one, then the online application form will be opened here. So, you have to fill up all these details, guys. Okay. Anyhow, we will see this one at the end of this video. And application can be only made 6 months in advance, okay, but not later than the 2 months before. And applicants must also clearly indicate the area of interest. A candidate can apply the internship only once during a financial year. Okay. And procedure of selection. All the applications received online will be made available online to the concerned heads of verticals, units, divisions, and senior consultants. The heads of these things can take maximum of 3 interns for internship at a time. This number may relax beyond 3 with the permission of CEO Niti Aayog. Okay, so these are all the things, guys. Anyhow, I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. If attendance must be minimum 75%, it should not be less than 75%. Okay, and coming to the research areas or the domain areas: agriculture, data management and analysis, economics, education and HRD, energy sector, foreign trade or commerce, governance, health, nutrition, women and child development, industry, infrastructure, connectivity, mass communications and social media, mining sector, natural resources, environment and forest, program monitoring and evaluation, project appraisal and management, public finances or budget, public-private partnership, rural development and SDGs, science and technology, skill development and employment, social justice and empowerment, sports and youth development, tourism and culture, urbanization or smart city, water resources. So if you belong to these departments or the research areas, then you may apply, guys. And the format of intern: completion certificate. So this is to certify that so and so, a student of university or college so and so, successfully completed internship with Niti Aayog. Okay, the duration of the internship is also given here. Okay, so it is a way of certificate you will get, guys. So it's a wonderful opportunity. So please utilize this one. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who wants to do the PhD or else who are already doing the PhD, because this information has to be known to all of you. Okay, very most useful information. Why? Because if you once selected for this intern, you will come to know that all the practical aspects and the realistic aspects of your research area in the outside world, so that you can properly design your research work and you can perfectly finish your PhD with purposeful, okay, which will be very much helpful for the development of our India. Fine. So I will provide this links, guys. And coming to the online application form, see here, first of all, your details you have to fill up, then educational details, okay, and the place of submission, okay, everything you have to fill up, and then click on the submit button. Okay, so these are the details, guys. And please subscribe the channel to get more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide